Hi guys, welcome to everyone. Those are the four problem-solving technique that we have chosen for our team 6. So on the analytical quadrant, we have Fishbone out of the 3. And the evaluation quadrant, we have a Snowball. And generative quadrant, we have chosen the attribute exploration, and the contextualization quadrant, we have the potential failure analysis. Do we all agree on that in order to move and start a bit talking about each one of them? Are you all guys okay?
Yes.
Yes, we are okay, David.
Yeah, cool. Then we have the 4 of them. We have formulated the problem. So what we have chosen for the title was actually the poor time management and the online learning process. And some mention that we need to talk a bit about Snowball, the dynamic, how we're going to do it as a team or individually. So who's going to have the first throw and say a word about that? Guys?
I think that will be Londiwe because she already has something prepared.
Okay, Londiwe. Here we are. I think maybe we don't need this screen. So I'll stop sharing. Maybe you will have something to show. Yes, Londiwe. Londiwe. Oh, is she there? Guys, are you there?
Yeah, David.
David, I can hear you.
Londiwe, it looks like she's not, maybe she's busy somewhere. But well, so it was about Snowball. The question was,
for Snowball?
It's Mohali actually who presented it, isn't it?
Yeah, right. Yes, you are correct. I'm the one who presented Snowball.
Yes, and do you think that we can do it properly individually, or it a must for all of us to actually share ideas?
Sorry.
Yes, Lundi, Mohali will say a word, and then we'll come to you. Yeah, take your breath.
Okay, David, thank you. I'm of the view that, like I indicated earlier on, maybe for Snowball, if we stick to that particular technique, it can be best if we can all bring our ideas together and then we discuss those ideas, because remember, we have to put them in groups. Those that are similar, they have to be in one group, and we can have about multiple groups, say 3, 4, 5 groups. And thereafter, we try to see which ideas can we prioritize, and meaning that those are ideas that we can actually consider going forward. So for an individual to try to generate ideas, it will be the same person that will be generating those ideas. Whereas Snowball works by having ideas from different people. So this is my view about it. I think it can work best if we can all bring our ideas together, and then thereafter we try to regroup them according to their similarities and stuff like that.
Okay, thank you, sir. So we'll hear Londiwe and see if there's a way, a plan we can come up with in order to do that, unless someone has another suggestion. Yes, Londiwe.
Sorry, I just heard my name. What am I supposed to do?
We are talking about Snowball. We have chosen the 4 techniques, and the dynamic for Snowball, because it is well done, well used actually when there's a group actually was doing it for the diversity of ideas, with the clustering part, when we have actually to group it, and it's not that easy when you're doing it alone. So we are trying to see if we can do it individually, or can we do it, we have to do it as a group and come up with a plan for that. What do you think?
Okay, I wasn't sure what exactly we are supposed to do when it comes to Snowball. So what I did is I came up with and the ideas that I came with were ideas to solve the problem, which is poor time management.
Yes.
So I had an idea, and I think I kind of solved the ideas. So I'm gonna put what I've done on the comments, just what I thought.
It's not shareable.
What do you mean, is it shareable?
Do you have something we can show? I don't know, for it to make more sense to everyone.
It doesn't
okay.
show nicely. Okay.
So it does show, but I'm not too sure. Does everybody see this? Well, this she put some text
Everyone
here.
is able to, if you can please share the screenshot.
David, allow me to share my screen, please.
Haven't I? I think I did. Oh yeah. Go ahead, try again.
It's just okay. There's no right and wrong, and it's
Can you do it now?
No.
I think I've shared.
It's
no
brainstorming
right.
session, Lundi way.
Yeah,
We need to just
thank
throw
you.
in all the ideas there.
Cool.
Sorry, we didn't catch that.
No, she's saying there's no right or wrong. She's just sharing what she thinks about that.
That's what I did. So I thought everyone maybe would come up with their ideas as well, and we all put them together.
But can Bali see this?
But I'll take yeah, I'll take it. I'll send you. Yeah,
The screenshot.
I'll do that now. Yeah.
Okay, so those are like the three people who are doing the Snowball. And how are you doing the clustering?
Malik, can you take your own screenshot on this? Oh shit. Oh, sorry.
So Makabane, how would it work from here? Or would it work from here?
It should.
Yes, it would work if, for instance, we have, first of all, we need to have like a list of ideas.
Guys, we have
And then
10 minutes.
thereafter
We have 10 minutes.
thereafter we have to, is that along the way? Yes, what I'm trying to say is the way it works. For instance, we have your ideas here, idea 1, idea 2, and idea 3. It would be best if we can all have the ideas from different group members. Thereafter, we try to regroup those that are similar together. And then after regrouping, we prioritize, because sometimes we may have like 5 ideas, but we think like the first 3 are brilliant. Then we can keep the 3 and then do away with the other 2. Those are the ideas that we'll say they come from the group, and then we actually discuss them, and then we understand all those are like the priority areas that we can consider going forward. So I'm thinking, or I'm suggesting, we do more or less the same, and then we share our ideas, and then thereafter we can try to rearrange the ideas into clusters or group, and thereafter we can try to prioritize and leave out those which we think are not that important, and then from there, those that we are actually taking forward are the one that we can consider for the next level of like appraising stuff like that. So it will work best if you all can contribute our ideas towards the poor time management. Even if they're not like the heading are not the same, but in the end, we'll try to put them in clusters depending on their similarities, on their relationship.
Yes, Kabelo.
So I don't know how we can proceed with that, but this is basically how it should work.
We'll find a way. Kabelo,
Okay.
yes? Yes.
Yes, I have a suggestion.
Yes.
Mepa is saying something.
No.
Not yet. You have the floor. Yeah.
Okay, I was suggesting that let's continue as Makabane is saying. So like Lundi, we posted her ideas on the chat. Can we all post our ideas there? And then one person
You mean
copies
right now?
them and puts them. Yeah, right now we are doing the Snowball now and we're wrapping it up. So we put our ideas there on the chat.
It has to be prepared. I don't think everybody
It hasn't been prepared.
That was the point of today. You see.
Okay, let's post the ideas then.
Okay, if it's fine, if it's no, then it's not fine because all of us have to come
Oh,
up
sorry.
with ideas.
Just,
But I was saying if we all had our list prepared, ne, individual contributions, we put them on the chat. One person copies them. I could also do it, copy everything, put on the spreadsheet. Now we would have one long list of all the ideas. Then we walk together through each and every idea to say this would be group A, this would be group B, C, and so forth. By the end of the meeting, then we would be able to finish the grouping.
I agree with that. If we can just nominate someone, maybe you, Londiwe, we're gonna send you our ideas, and you just do a table with everything. When you will see what is repeating and what is not, and from that, actually, we can decide. Mbali, okay, she's at meeting. It's because we need that conclusion to move forward. Because it looks like we're saying the same thing. We agree that we need for this technique that all of us to be involved. So they just find a way now and a time to share those ideas and to put everything in the table. We will meet in a Zoom again for a short time to see how we prioritize them.
Yeah, even if it's on email, we can send her that, even if it's on
Okay.
email, all our lists, and then she puts
her.
them together.
Mbali, are you
Whoever,
there with us?
that-
Are you following?
Me.
Mbali is there now.
The
So
compiler.
oh, but okay.
Oh,
She
she's
say what's name.
yeah, I think she's there now. Yeah,
She's
Mbali
in.
is there
Okay,
now.
so sorry, can I ask
Alright.
a question?
Yes, go ahead.
Are you guys, when you say you're going to send me stuff, are you
But
gonna
guys,
send
we only
me
have 3 minutes.
stuff?
It's going to stop after this, so don't worry. 5 minutes. I will send the link again.
Why? Oh,
Yeah, this one
Okay.
is. I don't usually use the Zoom on this machine. Yeah.
okay. So must I wait?
I think I
like-
will set it up.
Okay.
Are you gonna? Uthini map?
Sorry,
Me
it's
too, I
an
think I
old
have-
hand.
Yeah.
It's an
oh,
old
it's an old-
one. Sorry. Yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
Really?
I was asking if you guys are gonna send me this top part.
Yeah,
Okay,
we should.
all right.
Please, can I hear the
Wait,
instruction?
guys. The top part.
This.
Oh, you mean the way of.
Are we not sending everything? Like
Okay, you can send
the
everything.
whole list, or no, I was a bit lost. You can clarify.
Because we have chosen what we need to do.
Mali,
in
I'll send
a
you
task.
something. Did you see that?
Okay, Mbali is speaking. Guys,
No, she's not.
we are being
She's not
silent.
saying anything.
She's there, but she's not yet speaking. But she's there.
It's fine. It's okay.
Okay, so
Not a shot.
so we all agree that we'll have to send a list of all the ideas
Ideas.
about poor time management, and then those ones will be clustered afterward. And it's Londiwe is gonna do that. Is that so? You're gonna do the table of all the different ideas in the table and which are similar, and then we come and discuss the priority. I'm asking you, are you
Yes.
gonna do it?
Yes, David. Yebo, bhuti. Yebo, kunjalo.
Nyapila. Okay.
Right.
Okay, so Mbali,
okay,
I'm not too sure. Is Mbali following?
Mali,
I'm here. Yes, I'm here.
Okay. But it's cool. It means that we have our 4 techniques. So Snowball requires us to, okay, there's a hand there. Kabiru, yes. Requires us to work. Say a word, Kabiru, yes.
Sorry, guys. I'm a bit lost. So what are we deciding? Are we sending them
Yes.
sometime, and then we're gonna meet again late at a later stage, maybe
We have
tomorrow?
to decide because
Or
we
we
need to
sending
cluster them.
now and cluster them now?
Who's voting for now? It looks like Cabello wants now.
No,
So I mean,
I just
what-
wanted clarity. That's all.
We didn't say now. We said
Sorry,
we're gonna cut actually this recording, and after that we send them. Well, we need to decide
Okay.
now if it's gonna be tomorrow. That's we come up
Okay.
and then do the clustering, and we need to decide. But we can continue on a WhatsApp.
All right.
So
I'm
that
sorry,
was the
but I
idea.
can't do a table now.
Okay, no problem.
Is it
but
okay?
not
Now.
Mbali, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, so you heard everything, huh?
Yes.
Cool. So
Unless someone else can do a table now, because now.
No, I'm open. I'll avail myself anytime. I'm open.
it's okay, guys.
Oh, yeah,
Excellence is always prepared. So if
We
we
know,
all
but we
prepared
work best with
100%, cool,
nights.
can do it. Otherwise, it's not gonna hurt to do it tomorrow. So it's not gonna last long actually, because we all have an idea what we should do. It's just that we need to be done properly, calmly, and knowing that we're hitting it. So that's all.
I still want to see and know how you guys are doing the other techniques as well. So can we not focus on one
Yeah.
technique?
Guys, I'm sorry, but this video recording will stop. No problem, and I have to send another one. So we you need me guys to English. So I'm gonna send another link. Is that so? We need that, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
So that's for when, tomorrow or today still?
Now.
She want to discuss other techniques.
No, not discuss them. I want to
Well, that's the way of saying, actually.
well, kind of. I want to see what you guys have done so that you know
Okay.
that is the
just
point of
wait.
this
So
meeting.